Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's video. If you've been wondering how to finally take control of your finances, master your money, and build long-term wealth, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving deep into Principles of Personal Finance by Scott Adott, a book that will equip you with all the essential tools and strategies to unlock your financial potential. Whether you're a complete beginner when it comes to managing money or you've been trying to improve your financial habits, Scott Adott has provided us with a roadmap that anyone can follow to secure their financial future. In this video, I'll take you through each chapter, explaining key principles in depth, and I'll also share how you can apply these concepts immediately to start seeing real results in your financial life. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a much clearer understanding of what it really takes to build wealth, make smarter financial decisions, and live the life you've always dreamed of. The power of mindset, starting your financial journey. The first and most crucial principle Scott emphasizes in Principles of Personal Finance is mindset. This may sound like a buzzword, but trust me, the way you think about money is the foundation for everything you do with it. Scott explains that a positive and growth-focused mindset isn't just a nice-to-have, it's essential for building long-term financial success. We often let fear, guilt, or even pride influence our financial decisions. But to make the right moves with money, we need to develop a mindset that's focused on growth, abundance, and the understanding that anyone can improve their financial situation, no matter where they start from. Scott encourages you to ask yourself questions like, what are my financial goals? Why do I want to be financially free? What financial habits do I need to change to make my dreams a reality? By setting the right intentions and understanding your why, you're already positioning yourself for success. You'll also learn the importance of not comparing yourself to others. Everyone's financial journey is different. Setting financial goals, turning dreams into reality. Once you've set the right mindset, it's time to dive into goal setting. Scott Adott teaches that goal setting isn't just about writing down a few things you want to achieve. It's about creating a clear, actionable plan for how to reach those goals. Scott guides you through a process of setting both short-term and long-term financial goals. Short-term goals might include saving for a vacation or paying off a small debt, while long-term goals might include buying a home, funding your children's education, or retiring with financial independence. The key is to break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks, and work towards them step by step. For example, if your goal is to save $10,000 for an emergency fund in a year, Scott suggests breaking that down into a monthly savings goal. This makes the large goal feel more achievable and less overwhelming. Budgeting and saving, the cornerstones of financial health. One of the first financial habits Scott dives into is budgeting. You've probably heard it a million times, but budgeting is the absolute foundation of financial health. Without a budget, you're like a ship without a sail, you're floating, but you don't have control over your direction. Scott introduces several budgeting strategies, including the 50/30/20 rule, which divides your income into three categories: 50% for necessities like housing, utilities, and groceries. 30% for discretionary spending like dining out, entertainment, and shopping. 20% for savings and debt repayment. Scott goes deeper, teaching you how to create a personalized budget that fits your unique lifestyle. He shares tips on using budgeting apps, tracking expenses, and finding ways to reduce wasteful spending. But it's not just about limiting your spending, it's about making every dollar work for you. When it comes to saving, Scott emphasizes the importance of setting up an emergency fund. Life happens, and unexpected expenses will arise. Scott suggests that you aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a liquid account that's easily accessible. This will provide peace of mind and allow you to focus on the next steps of your financial journey without constantly worrying about what might go wrong. Investing, letting your money work for you. Now we get to one of the most exciting parts of the book, investing. You've probably heard that investing is one of the best ways to build wealth, but it can feel overwhelming, especially if you're new to it. But Scott breaks it down in a simple and approachable way. Scott starts by explaining the power of compound interest, the idea that your money can grow exponentially over time. He provides examples of how small, consistent contributions to an investment account can lead to substantial wealth in the long run. For example, if you invest $200 a month for 20 years in an account with an average return of 8%, you'll have over $200,000 at the end of those 20 years, without having to do anything except let time and compound interest work their magic. But it's not just about throwing money into any investment. Scott teaches you how to diversify your investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and more. He talks about the importance of balancing risk and reward, and how to create a portfolio that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Scott also emphasizes the need to be patient with investing. The stock market can be volatile, and you'll have to ride through the ups and downs. But as Scott explains, consistency is the key to long-term success. Managing debt, breaking free from financial burdens. Debt is one of the biggest obstacles that prevent people from achieving financial freedom. But Scott gives you the tools to take control of your debt and start eliminating it strategically. One of the most popular methods Scott recommends is the debt snowball method, where you focus on paying off your smallest debt first, then move on to the next smallest, and so on. This method helps you gain momentum as you pay off each debt and gives you a psychological win that keeps you motivated. Alternatively, if you're more focused on minimizing interest costs, Scott also talks about the debt avalanche method, which prioritizes paying off high-interest debt first. But it's not just about paying off your current debt. Scott teaches you how to avoid future debt traps, particularly with credit cards, student loans, and auto loans. He talks about the importance of living below your means and how to build a debt-free lifestyle where borrowing isn't the default option for getting by. Preparing for life's big milestones. As you work towards financial independence, there are key life milestones that you'll need to plan for. Scott covers topics like buying a home, starting a family, and funding your retirement, each with its own set of financial considerations. He explains that buying a home is one of the most significant financial decisions you'll make. Scott teaches you how to assess your home buying readiness by calculating how much you can afford to borrow, considering the total cost of homeownership, including property taxes, maintenance, and insurance, and understanding how to secure a mortgage with the best possible terms. When it comes to retirement, Scott emphasizes the importance of planning early. The earlier you start contributing to a retirement account, the more time your investments have to grow. He explains the differences between 401(k), IRAs, Roth IRAs, and other retirement savings vehicles, and gives you strategies for maximizing your retirement savings. Protecting your wealth, insurance, estate planning, and risk management. Finally, Scott addresses how to protect the wealth you've worked so hard to build. This includes strategies for securing insurance to protect against financial risks like health issues, car accidents, or even life's unexpected tragedies. He discusses various types of insurance, such as health insurance, life insurance, disability insurance, and property insurance, and how to assess your needs based on your financial situation. Scott also explains the importance of estate planning, making sure your assets are distributed according to your wishes after you're gone. This includes creating a will, establishing trusts, and understanding how to minimize estate taxes. Conclusion: start today and take control of your financial future. In conclusion, Principles of Personal Finance by Scott is not just a book, it's a guide to taking control of your financial life and building the future you've always dreamed of. Whether it's mastering your mindset, budgeting effectively, investing wisely, or preparing for retirement, Scott gives you the tools and strategies to succeed. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with small steps. Don't wait for the perfect time, start today, and take action towards your financial goals. Bonus tips for immediate action. Track your spending. Download an app like Mint or use a spreadsheet to track where your money goes each month. Awareness is key to controlling your finances. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts so you're consistently building wealth without even thinking about it. Create a debt repayment plan. Whether it's the debt snowball or avalanche method, start paying off your debt as soon as possible. That's it for today's deep dive into Principles of Personal Finance by Scott A. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more financial wisdom that can help you achieve your goals. Share this video with anyone who could benefit, and remember, your financial freedom begins today.